Welcome back to FitLife Fusion, where we explore the best superfoods for longevity. In this video, we'll dive into the science behind these 12 superfoods, showing you how they can help you stay fit, youthful, and vibrant for years to come. We all want to live long, healthy lives, but how do we make that a reality? Longevity isn't just about genetics, it's also about the lifestyle choices we make, what we eat, how we move, and how we care for our bodies. Among these, nutrition plays a crucial role in how we age and how long we stay healthy. In today's video, we'll introduce you to 12 scientifically backed superfoods that have been shown to promote longevity and help you stay fit and youthful. Let's get started. First on our list is the humble blueberry. Don't let its small size fool you. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which fight oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, both of which are linked to aging and chronic diseases. Antioxidants like anthocyanins neutralize free radicals, which can damage cells and accelerate the aging process. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that regular consumption of blueberries can improve brain function and slow down cognitive aging. Add them to your morning smoothie or sprinkle them over oatmeal. Enjoy them as a healthy snack throughout the day. Next up are leafy greens like spinach and kale. These nutrient-dense superfoods are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. But what makes them particularly powerful for longevity is their high content of phytonutrients, which help protect your cells from damage and support detoxification. Leafy greens contain chlorophyll, which helps the body detoxify and reduce inflammation. Research from the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming leafy greens can reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and even slow cognitive decline. Add them to your smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. Use them as a base for salads or lightly sauté them with garlic and olive oil for a quick side dish. Nuts, especially almonds, walnuts, and Brazil nuts, are fantastic sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're particularly well known for their benefits to heart health, but did you know they also play a major role in longevity? Nuts contain monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and raise good cholesterol, HDL. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that people who eat nuts regularly live longer and have a reduced risk of heart disease, cancer, and respiratory illness. Enjoy a handful of mixed nuts as a snack or sprinkle them on salads or oatmeal. Add almond butter to smoothies for an extra dose of protein and healthy fats. Salmon, particularly wild-caught varieties, is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation, improving heart health, and even promoting glowing skin. Omega-3s are known for their ability to support brain health and slow the aging process at a cellular level. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, found in salmon, have anti-inflammatory properties that protect the heart and brain. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals with higher omega-3 levels tend to age more slowly and have a lower risk of chronic diseases. Grill or bake salmon with herbs for a simple yet delicious meal. Add smoked salmon to salads, whole grain crackers, or avocado toast. Green tea is more than just a soothing drink. It's packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which are known to promote fat loss, boost metabolism, and improve overall health. But the benefits of green tea go far beyond weight management. Its antioxidant properties help protect cells from aging. Catechins, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, have been shown to increase fat oxidation and enhance the body's ability to detoxify. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that green tea drinkers have a lower risk of heart disease and certain cancers. Enjoy a cup of green tea in the morning or afternoon as a refreshing alternative to coffee. Try matcha, a powdered form of green tea, for an extra dose of antioxidants. Turmeric. This golden spice, widely used in Indian cuisine and Ayurvedic medicine, contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Chronic inflammation is linked to aging and many age-related diseases, so adding turmeric to your diet can help protect your body from oxidative stress. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It helps neutralize free radicals and boosts the body's own antioxidant enzymes. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology found that curcumin can slow down the aging process at the cellular level by protecting cells from damage and supporting healthy brain function. Add turmeric to smoothies, curries, or soups for a vibrant color and flavor. Enjoy a turmeric latte or golden milk as a comforting drink before bed. Avocados are known for their creamy texture, but did you know they're packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and essential vitamins like vitamin E? These nutrients help reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol, and improve skin elasticity, making avocados an ideal food for long-term health. Avocados contain potassium, which supports heart health by balancing blood pressure. Research from the American Heart Association suggests that avocados can lower LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Enjoy mashed avocado on whole grain toast, or blend it into smoothies for added creaminess. Add sliced avocado to salads, sandwiches, or tacos. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also a powerhouse of beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in the body. This vitamin supports eye health, boosts the immune system, and helps fight inflammation, keeping you feeling youthful and energized. Beta-carotene, the compound responsible for sweet potatoes' vibrant orange color, is a potent antioxidant that promotes cell regeneration. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition highlight the role of vitamin A in maintaining healthy skin and vision, especially as we age. Roast them as a side dish or snack. Use mashed sweet potatoes as a base for bowls or incorporate them into soups. Dark chocolate, particularly varieties with 70% or more cocoa content, is packed with flavonoids, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, improve heart health, and enhance brain function. Plus, who doesn't love a guilt-free sweet treat? Flavonoids in dark chocolate improve blood flow, which can enhance cognitive function and reduce the risk of heart disease. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular dark chocolate consumption can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate as a snack or dessert. Add cocoa powder to smoothies or oatmeal for a rich flavor. Chia seeds might be tiny, but they are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. These nutrients not only support heart health, but also help maintain stable blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion, which is key to longevity. Omega-3s in chia seeds reduce inflammation, which is linked to aging and chronic disease. According to research in the Journal of Food Science, chia seeds are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, promoting gut health and stabilizing blood sugar. Add chia seeds to smoothies, sprinkle them on yogurt, or make chia pudding by soaking them in almond milk. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and for good reason. Rich in sulfur compounds like allicin, garlic has potent anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects that can help protect your heart and keep your immune system strong. Garlic's allicin helps lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and support immune function. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition have shown that garlic supplementation can reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and even combat common colds. Use fresh garlic in cooking, from stir-fries to soups. Consider garlic supplements if you want to increase your intake without the strong flavor. Lastly, we have Greek yogurt is packed with probiotics, calcium, and protein, key nutrients for supporting gut health, bone strength, and muscle maintenance. As you age, maintaining a healthy gut is essential for absorbing nutrients and keeping inflammation in check. Probiotics in yogurt help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is crucial for digestion and immune function. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights the benefits of calcium and vitamin D in yogurt for bone health, particularly as we age. Enjoy Greek yogurt with fresh berries and nuts for a nutritious breakfast. Use it as a base for smoothies, or add it to savory dishes like soups and sauces for a creamy texture. By incorporating these 12 superfoods into your diet, you're not just adding variety to your meals, you're also giving your body the nutrients it needs to age gracefully and stay vibrant. Remember, longevity is about more than just living longer. It's about feeling youthful and energized every day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family.